So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are filter functions in Power BI and how does a lookup value function work. So the filter and value functions in DAX are some of the most complex and powerful and differs greatly from the Excel functions. The lookup function works by using tables and relationships just like a database. The filtering functions let you manipulate the data context to the creating a dynamic calculation. And now let's get back to the lookup value function. So it returns the value for the row that meets all the criteria specified by one or more search conditions. In order to understand this lookup value function in more detail, let's try with the example. So for that, let's get back to the data. And over here, as you guys can see, I have employee dataset and it has only three columns: first name, last name, and city. Now let's say I want to find out the first name of all the employees who are living in Denver city. So let's see how we can do this, and this time we will be working with lookup value function. So for that, first click on new measure and let's say give it a name as Denver city is equal to, and we'll be working with lookup value function. So over here, as you guys can see, the first parameter is result underscore column name. So I want to find out first name. So I will select first name from this and search column name. So I want to search the city. So I will select the city over here and search value is Denver. So this is how you fit your parameters into this lookup value function and just hit enter. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created this Denver city major. Let's get back to the report pane and select this Denver city major and let's see what it contains. And let's select card instead of this bar and it is giving us Louis. And if you go back to your data and you can see there are only one employee who are living in Denver. The first row and the fourth row is replicated. That's why I'm getting only Louis over here. So in this way we can make use of lookup value function in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.